Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Black Buttercup to complete the Buttercup quest and grow a garden Buttercup update. Okay, one of my quests is harvesting one Black Buttercup, and I thought that there would be a Black Buttercup for real, but apparently we can get the Black Buttercup with mutation, and I've applied the burnt mutation to this Buttercup. I have the burnt mutation spray and I've already applied to this Buttercup, so we can use it to complete the quest, guys. Okay, I'm going to harvest this burnt Buttercup. Let's collect it. And okay, my quest is completed and I'm going to claim my rewards. I'll get 200 Buttercup coins after completing one of these quests. So guys, Black Buttercup means the Buttercup with the black mutation, such as the burnt mutation or the Moonlet mutation. So if you want to get it, you can use Wolf to help you to get Moonlet mutation, or you can use the Owl to give you burnt mutation. Okay guys, and that's all about the Black Buttercup in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!